Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TechnoHub. So today I'm going to show you that how to activate Powerdirector bundle application on any Android or iOS device. So let's start. First, you have to download the Powerdirector bundle application. I have already downloaded it, so I'll just install it. You can also download this Powerdirector application, bundled application, from the link in the description. The activating Powerdirector bundle will remove the watermark. So let's install it first. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Powerdirector application, bundle application, is installed. It took hardly 2 minutes to install. So now let's open this application. Alright, so it's opening. It took some time, but it's now here. So we have to activate it to remove the watermark and to unlock some of the features, I think. So when this window will appear in front of you, you just simply have to click on activate and put the application code. I'll tell you guys the application activation code. So type PMYZ HBW and E. So as you can see, activation code is accepted. So just simply activate it. Now you can see remove watermark and ads. The ads and the watermark is removed and the app is activated. You for video effects, stickers, transactions, title animations, you have to purchase them. But there is another way. You can hack it with Lucky Patcher, as I told you that how to hack the apps using Lucky Patcher application. You can simply do this with this app also, and you can unlock these features also. Alright, so now I'll show you that there is no watermark. If I take any of the picture, maybe screenshots, and this blank screen, so I'll show you guys that there is no watermark. So, and there is another thing that in this thing, chroma key is not supported, but in the other one I'll tell you guys in the next video how to activate chroma key feature in KineMaster and Cyberlink Powerdirector application. It is very useful for some of the people, but some of the people do not use this app for chroma key. But the people who require chroma key in their videos can see that video and can do this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and like this trick, that how to activate Powerdirector application, bundle application. So I recommend you guys to use this Powerdirector bundle application and the Powerdirector Pro APK crack version. I'll tell you guys about this crack version in the next video. So keep watching TechnoHub. Until the next video, bye bye.